Hello and welcome to On4 Creations. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to show you how to edit and also assemble this chip bag that is available in my Etsy shop. So all of the text that's on this chip bag can be edited. You can change the color, the size, or the font. So here I'm showing you how to change the birthday girl's name by double clicking the text and then going to the top and selecting the color of your choice for the birthday girl's name. And you can do the same for the thanks for celebrating with me on the chip bag. If you want to make it more personalized, you can also add the birthday girl's name at the bottom of the text. And then if you don't want it at all, you can always just delete it. So once you're satisfied with your chip bag, you just need to go to File and save it. And then to print, you will go to Download on the right side of the screen. And it will give you three options to save it as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG. It's your preference. And after that, it will bring you to your printer settings. So next you will see me showing you how to assemble the chip bag. A few supplies: the printed chip bag, double-sided tape, or hot glue, chips and scissors if you're going to use double-sided tape. So flip over the printed chip bag and lightly crease the outside folds. For this chip bag, I use HP glossy brochure paper, but you can use regular copy paper or any paper that you may have on hand. So I'm going to take my double-sided tape and align it on the end of my paper where the nutritional facts are. And then also add some tape on the inside on the very bottom of the paper. I purchased this tape from Amazon. It came with 3 rolls of tape for less than $10. I highly recommend it. I use it on majority of my party favors. So fold the outside layers by overlapping the side with the thank you over the side with the double-sided tape. So now we're going to firmly push down the center of the bag and the bottom to make sure the chip bag is closed. Pop the chip bag open by squeezing the sides and add in your choice of chips. Add another piece of tape on the inside at the top and close your bag. And that's it. You created your own chip bag. Thank you so much for checking out my video. Please don't forget to check out this chip bag in my Etsy shop, On4 Creations. And I hope you have a wonderful day.